The MT3 microscope is a very nicely designed and well-made digital microscope, intended for middle school students, offering a number of interesting functions. The media quality is at a decent level and the mechanical elements are well fitted, making using the microscope very pleasant and comfortable. Great comfort in using the microscope is provided by a mechanical stage with ergonomically placed knobs, not so common in this type and class of microscopes. You should also appreciate the fact that the microscope is equipped with the rechargeable battery, so we can use it not only at home but also in the field. Wireless connection of the microscope to the phone is another additional advantage. The large 7-inch and, importantly, tiltable display gives an additional advantage when using the microscope by more than one student. In addition, the microscope can be connected to a large external monitor. To sum up, the MT3 microscope is a very successful design that offers decent image quality and good quality of mechanical components. Therefore, the MT3 microscope successfully deserves to be included in the equipment of schools and be used to help in practical classes.